Stop! They threw everything away before the flight.
After visiting China, Donald Trump and his team did not keep any gifts. They collected phones, badges, and even small items, then put them in the trash. Why? They wanted to stop tracking or spying risks.
Wait, even gifts?
Yes, everything. Nothing goes on the plane.
That sounds extreme.
It is normal for high-security trips.
What about phones?
They used special clean phones, then threw them away.
Even Trump?
Yes, he could not use his personal phone. Some experts say hidden devices can be inside everyday items. This rule is common when visiting countries like China. In the past, even a gift from Soviet Union had a secret listening device. Now, digital spying risks are even bigger.
Thor. Donald Trump bought sushi stock.
Donald Trump bought sushi stock. He got shares in Kuro Sushi USA worth over $1 million. The report says his total trades were up to $750 million. He also invested in Nvidia, Boeing, and Microsoft. This shows he is buying both food and tech stocks. Some people worrying about conflicts of interest. Others say it is just normal investment.
Why sushi stock?
Maybe he expects strong growth from Japanese brands. What do you think?
Is Japan becoming militaristic again?
Xi Jinping spoke with Vladimir Putin in Beijing. He said China and Russia must stop the return of militarism. He did not name Japan, but many think he meant it. China also said Japan's military changes are a threat to peace.
Did he really mean Japan?
Many experts think so.
Why now?
Because Japan is changing its defense policy. Tensions in Asia are rising, and countries are watching closely.
Wait, you have to pay NHK even for a car navigation system?
Gifu Governor Izoki asked the government to review NHK contract rules. Some public cars and phones had no contracts, so fees were unpaid. Individuals pay per household, but companies must pay per device.
So companies pay more than individuals?
Yes, because they pay for each device.
I finally get it about Bitcoin.
Overseas message boards are getting attention today. One post says, "I finally get it about Bitcoin." The writer used to buy many coins, but now chooses only Bitcoin. He says the fixed supply of 21 million makes it special and strong. Some users agree with him.
What do they say?
They say Bitcoin may be the best money and will grow over time.
But not everyone agrees, right?
Right. Some say adoption is still slow, and many people do not understand it.
Coal mine explosion in China. Rescue efforts still underway.
A deadly mine blast just happened in China. A gas explosion hit a coal mine in Shaanxi, killing 82 workers. At the time, 247 people were working underground, and some could not escape.
This is a very serious accident.
Yes, many workers were trapped inside.
The company leader was detained after the accident.
Xi Jinping also ordered full rescue efforts. Rescue teams are still searching, and the cause is now under investigation. Explosion.
爆発
An explosion happened in a coal mine in China. Coal mine.
炭鉱
Many workers were inside the coal mine at the time. Stock.
株式
The president bought stock in a sushi company. Confirm.
確認する
The government confirmed 82 deaths after the accident. Be trapped.
閉じ込められる
Some workers were trapped underground after the explosion.